Hi, Andy Joels here from VideoCreditScore.com. We're going to talk about loan modifications versus loan modifications today. And what do I mean by this? Well, the real question we're asking is, are the loan modifications working? The ones that we've all been reading about that people have done over the past 6 months or even longer. And a government agency, it's the U.S. government OCC, it's the Office of Comptroller and Currency, put out a study that showed of the people who actually did a loan modification and saw a time period of 6 months elapse, 53% of those are in delinquency, 30-day delinquency. So I could look at the glass half full and say, hey, this is pretty good. It's working about half the time. But on this one, I'm going to look at it as half empty. I think we should expect that loan modification programs are having a better success rate than just 53% over this time period. And let's talk about why I think this might be happening. Well, the stat I really want to see is what percentage of these loan modifications are happening from lender-backed programs versus government-backed programs. I've been hearing a little bit in the industry that not many lenders are actually using the government programs because they don't really like the terms. So they're coming up with loan modifications of their own. And my hypothesis here is that what they're doing is they're coming up with a loan modification which isn't strong enough to really help most consumers kind of get through this period. So that's why we're seeing, over half the people already falling into delinquencies off these loan modifications. And so I think we're going to be interested to see what happens next, because I'm hoping they're not going to be loan modifications. So if you want to learn more about this, other topics, you know where to come, VideoCreditScore.com. You can friend me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. See you soon. Remember, everyone's situation is different. Be sure to contact a financial advisor or a credit counseling professional before making important financial decisions. This video broadcast is for educational purposes and not a substitute for receiving personalized professional advice.